Well, as you can see, I've got a little bit over halfway through the garden, maybe about 2/3 of it done, weeded and mulched, and it's starting to look good. It's going to be ready for when the spring flowers start coming out at the nursery, and I can start getting me some and planting them out here. But everything's looking good. Well, I finished the garden, getting it all weeded and mulched. That was quite a task. I've picked through all the plants that I want to keep and pulled all the weeds. The phlox over here, it's starting to bloom and should be sending up blooms. I tried to get it transplanted around the edge there and some in the front here so I can get it all the way around the garden, because phlox is very pretty, the creeping phlox. But it's a little stickery too when it dies and the leaves start to dry up. But everything is looking good, and I am ready for spring. Happy gardening.